cut it, nah.
I'm about to get you together. Man, cut no gang. Look, gotta tell y'all how to wear the Durag the perfect way, the proper way, the way you're supposed to wear it, where you I'm just getting home, so I'm about to throw the Durag on, wrap it up, you feel me, cut no gang. So look, first way you put your Durag on, of course you grab the Durag. I'm using the silk Durag today, cutting up gang, old silky boy. And don't be lazy. Like, for instance, I do it too. As you can see, my Durag still tied up from when I took it off this morning. You feel me, cutting up gang? And unravel it. You feel me? Make sure the stitching part is on the outside. That way it won't have that line. And, as you can see right here, and if y'all got dreads, cutting up gang, pull your hair all the way to the back, you feel me? Yeah. That way when you sleeping or whatever, how you doing it, it's all the way there, you feel me, cutting up gang? So you don't gotta do it too tight, but make sure the straps of the Durag is flat. That way it's not no line, you feel me? So we're gonna do one side first, cutting up gang. We're gonna do the left side, which is your right side, you feel me? Yeah. Make sure it's flat though. Back in the day, we used to just do the line, and nah. It's 2022, cutting up gang. So yeah, man. You can grab the other end, the opposite end, and you do that. Ready, you feel me, cutting up gang? And then once it's all the way there like this, so I'm gonna turn around, make sure the wings is flat. You can just tie it just in a knot. You ain't gotta tie it in like a bow, but just like a knot. And pull it down. And while you pulling it down, you can also, I prefer to tuck it in like this. That way it's not in the way. Then you can pull your other hair out, cutting up gang. Yeah. You feel me? So this is for sure the proper way on how to wear a Durag, especially if you just got the retwist on the dreads and you about to go to sleep. Now, everything under here gonna be crispy. This is still gonna be like, you know what I'm saying? How you can kind of see the that's still gonna stay the same. And I'm also gonna have an excess line off of these, but this how you keep your scalp crispy, you know what I'm saying? I forgot I gotta moisturize it. I mean, I got the Durag on some moisturizer here. I might have these for sale for y'all. It depends on how many likes and subscribes I get, you feel me, cutting up gang, but in person you already know. Yeah. And yeah, cutting up gang, that's the proper way I'm wearing a Durag. And before you put the Durag on, I'm gonna show y'all the proper way to spray as well. So I'm gonna take the Durag off. Of course, it's the lazy way. I didn't even, But yeah, everything gonna be, boy, man. Yeah. So it's the proper way before you put the Durag on. So again, you got the hair mist, because you don't want your hair to be dry, you feel me? Spray it everywhere for the scalp. Oil is good as well. That way your hair is, moisturized and it don't look dry. And like I say, cutting up gang, again, don't be lazy and just throw the Durag on like so. This is the wrong way, just throwing it on and whopping it, and don't do it this way. Just no, that's not it. You see them lines? Nah. The proper way, cutting up gang. Like I say, see these? Take this apart, you feel me? Yeah. Once that's apart, again, put it on your head the right way. But this being the outer layer, you feel me, cutting up gang. Yeah, then pull your hair back, you feel me? If you got the, you know, if they hanging like that. Then you, yeah. Wait, one side first and make sure it's flat. Yeah, just like this, cutting up gang. You grab it, go all the way to the back, you feel me? Fingers a little caught up, there it go. You feel me? Then you opposite end. Yeah. Make sure it's flat though before you tie it up in the back. You feel me? Yeah. That way our style can last. You feel me? And then again, just a light little, you know, for the durag down. Tuck it. You feel me? Where it's not tight, you could go to sleep right. You feel me? Cutting up gang. Yeah. So yeah, if y'all like videos like this, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? Cutting up gang. And I'm about to go to bed, and I'm gonna see y'all again a little later. Nah, tomorrow. Yeah.